Alrighty guys, welcome back to my home, mi casa es tu casa, and today I have a July Boxycharm box unboxing. So if you want to know what I have, you have to stay watching. Alright guys, so I'm just going to open the box, which I already have, and show you one item at a time. So the first thing I pull up is from the brand Lavish. And this is the quick color switch dry makeup brush cleaner, and it looks like this. Now this particular item is worth $17, okay? Is a what it says. You can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. And it's reusable and washable. Now if you guys follow me here on YouTube, you will know that I picked something up like this in Dollar Tree a while ago, and it's the same concept. It's a tin can. You have that black sponge in the inside. You can remove it, and it's washed and washable and reusable. So just wash it, let it dry, put it back in the container, and keep it safe in your little tin can. And again, this is $17. So I am excited to try this one because the one that I picked up at Dollar Tree, even though I don't remember the brand, it was pretty good. So I am excited to try this one, and it's worth $17. Let's see. All right, so the next thing I picked up out of here is the Estudio makeup endurance creamy eyeshadow, and it looks like this. And this is kind of like a rose pink color. And no. Okay, it says get bold shimmer and shine with this creamy eyeshadow. It says this lightweight, this decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance, or add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. So it looks like that. We're gonna take it out and we are going to swatch it. Oh, by the way, let's go back in it. This is a $25 worth, and it's that little, but I'm gonna. Don't have no type of smell. That is the whatchamacallit, applicator, and this is how it looks. Nice sheer, but it does have that glow. I don't know if you guys can tell. So yeah, that's that. It's nice. It's holographic. I don't know if you guys can tell right there. Very pretty, and again, this is worth $25. Guys, and let me just say, this is the total of the box right here. So that's $17 that you technically got for free, if you look at it that way. The next item right here, I am excited to try because I saw a sneak peek of this in Instagram, and I was like, I hope I get this in the box. And this is the 111 Skin Harley Street London brand, and this is the NACY Pollution Defense Booster, and it's a booster defense anti-pollution. So we are just, this is the item right here, and we are just gonna open this, and hopefully I don't break the box so I can save him back in there. Alrighty, and guys, this is how she looks. I love the bottle itself. Don't want to put it closer to the light because it's gonna like mess up the glare, but that's how it looks. And we are going to, before I open it, let me tell you what it talks about. It says this is a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the daylight age. This is unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidant. So I am happy to hear all that goody stuff in this bottle right here, because mamita likes to take care of her skin. And come on, let's be for real. I'm getting to that age that I have to wash my skin and keep it, looking natural, healthy, and age-free. Now, let me just say something. If I can mention, let me re-mention. This right here was $25, and I already told you that this was worth $25, and this is the worth of your Boxycharm monthly payment. Now, guys, let's be real. This product right here is worth $135. Are you kidding me? $135. Okay? So now is you only paid $24 for your box. Not only did you got a product in there worth the money of your box, but you have another product that is worth $113. This is why I like Boxycharm. And they full size, you know, they're full size. This is not samples. No samples at all. This right here is glass, the little applicator. And it doesn't have no smell, but it's a dropper. And it's like this. Oh my God. It is cold to the touch. Very, very, it's a water base. Oh my God, but it feels good. It doesn't smell at all. It doesn't have no type of smell, but nice. And without no product, and hand with product. Very moisturized. So $135. I'm gonna have to hide this from my daughter because she like keeping her skin nice and beautiful. So I'm gonna hide this from her. Next product, which I'm excited. This is called the Grace. Not called. It's from the brand Grace and Stella, and it says it's like an energy drink for your eyes. Mamita does need it. You see that? You see the dark circles? This is an eye mask, anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. Okay, and it's 12 pairs inside here. And let's talk about it. Where are you, my dear? Right here. Is it suffering from dark circles? Yes. I'm answering your question. Yes. Puffy eye bags? Yes. Fine line? Yes. And general fatigue around your eyes? Definitely. Perk them up as if you just had an 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. So yeah, I am going to open this really quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I opened the box and I have to come in here and show you how it looks. But you get 12 of these babies. 12 of these babies. And by the way, they are worth $25. Not 25, I'm sorry. $21 a box. So, and you get 12 applications. I am excited to try these. You know I love my mask. You know I love my eye stuff, my face product. I am very excited to see that. And last but not least, the other reason why I love Boxycharm is because they always include some type of eyeshadow palette or contour palette. You know, everything is. I just took the bag off, but I got the Ace and Beauty Bronze in Paradise, and this is how it looks, and it's gorgeous. I just love the box itself. And these are the colors, and it comes with a mirror, and these are the colors. And you can easily use these colors for eyeshadows. I ain't gonna lie. I always use items that don't be, you know, they're not intended for something else. So yeah. So this is the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. The Bronze is in Paradise Bronze palette is an addition to the Most Love Paradise collection. It has 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder complexion products. So yeah, let's just swatch this really quick. And by the way, this is worth $30. $30. So nice. So let's do this one right here. And they are very pigmented. We are going to swatch this one right here. Totally, you can use them as eyeshadows. Then you have this one right here. And I'm going to do it up here. Nice. One more finger. Right here. And I'm going to swatch it right here. Very creamy, very easy to apply. Very nice. So yeah, I am very happy. I don't think I have been dissatisfied with any of the boxes that I have received yet. There might be one particular item that I have not been satisfied with, either because it came damaged or dry or anything like that, but not in general because the boxes suck. Like some people have said, oh, I hate my box, I don't like my box. But then again, these boxes are cured and put together to your profile. So far I don't have nothing to say about Boxycharm, but that I am in love, and they always listen to me, because I think last time they didn't put the postcard, and I always request if they can put it, and next time when I get the box, I always get it. So yeah, that means they watching. But thank you, Boxycharm. I love every product in my box, and if you want any other information about Boxycharm, I will put it in the description box below. So that is my video for today. See you in my next one.